everyone, welcome to the 9th episode of our Adobe Illustrator series. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to design a brochure from start to finish. We will explore the structure, layout, and tools needed to create a clean and professional brochure. We use these tools to design a professional brochure. Rectangle tool for layout blocks, type tool for adding text, guide and ruler for alignments, swatches and color pickers for choosing color, and layer panel to organize elements. Sometimes we use shape builder tool for creating custom graphics. How we can make a brochure and which size or layout basics. Choose the correct size, especially A4 or bifold, trifold. Create columns or guides. Add sections for title, content, and sometimes images. And use a grid system to keep blanks your design and maintain white space to avoid clutter. Okay guys, come with me to understand about design tips. Keep your fonts readable and professional. Stick to a limited color palette. Use icons and visuals to support your message and make sure the flow is logical and easy to follow. Now I want to show you some sample of brochures. Let's design with me a simple brochure. What we covered today, we cover how to design a brochure layout step by step, which tools in Illustrator are best for brochure design, and tips for keeping your brochure clean, readable, and effective. In next lesson, I'm going to review everything we've covered in the previous lessons. If you have any questions or ideas, you can drop them in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.